Welcome back to my channel, and this is Julia Ganda. For tonight's video, we are here now in Maison de Sushi and Tornado Tower. Ang ganda po ng view. Papalibutan pa siya ng magandang buildings. Para siyang inspired by the Church Tower. Inside Maison de Sushi, Tornado Tower, West Bay. So this is it, Pansit. Excited na si El kumain. Oh my God, ano yan? Crabs, fish, ano to? Tempura.